Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be opening another box of Nordstrom Trump Club. This is one of my favorite clothing subscriptions out there because they not only send you a bunch of clothing, they also let you return what you don't like, and also you can talk to them and let you know what do you want, what do you need, what's your body type, and what is the type of clothes that you like. So down there in the description I'm going to leave you all the links of the products that I can find on Nordstrom, because also everything is coming from Nordstrom, so you can buy individual items too. And I'm also gonna leave you the link to subscribe to Nordstrom Trump Club if you want to. You will get $50 off in, I believe, your second box. I'm not sure, but you will get $50 off on one of the items that you want to buy, or a few items that you want to buy. You get a $50 credit, and I will also get a $50 credit. So if you're interested in signing up, use the link down below. And also, before I even start showing you the clothing that we received this month, please give a big thumbs up to this video. That helps me tons here in YouTube. Without further ado, let's dive into this video. And here we have the first dress. Is super pretty. As I mentioned before, this box was cured for me for work, and I think this dress is very accurate for work. It's not flashy or anything like that. I love the waistband here, which it makes everything inch and super cute. This is a thread here, super nice. It's below the knee, way below the knee, and it's very flowy, very comfortable. I like the neck. I like how it inch and make sure that I don't look like a butt. This dress is by the brand Maggie London and it's $79. This one specifically is in size 6. And even though the material is a little heavy, it's not overwhelming. And it's in the color pesto, like the pasta sauce, dressing sauce. It is super pretty. I actually really like it. Let's see what else they add me in the box. And this is meant to be an outfit. That's why I'm putting it together. I definitely don't like it. This is a blazer. It has a 40% off right now. So if you like blazers, this doesn't look that bad though. I don't know. I just meant blazers make me look too bulky in my opinion, and I don't really like that for obvious reasons, because I'm already a big girl, so I don't want to look super extremely big. But this one is actually very pretty, well made. It's size 10. The original price for this product is $130 and it's on sale right now for $78. I actually don't mind it too much. I don't know. I think something more sleek will be better, and maybe not so much shoulder pad. You see this shoulder pad? That like insane. Like, I don't know. I'm not sure I want to keep this, especially in this humidity and this hot weather that I am right now. And this one is made by River Island. So cute though, but maybe for somebody who is a little more skinny and it doesn't have so many concerns with their body shape or anything like that, like me. But I will say it's not completely boxy though. It has a little shape on the side. Open, I like a little better, just because again, I need to show this. If I don't show my waist, I look extremely heavy. But overall, the blazer is not bad though. It's just it doesn't look good on me. I believe it doesn't. I don't know, you guys, what do you think? So let's start with this blouse that is by Vince Camuto. Super pretty though. Very girly. I would rather this be like maybe pink instead of green. I'm not a huge fan of green, but this one is perfect for my body shape. Again, this is maybe one of the boxes that they had nailed the best, because I've been telling them I am hourglass and I am size 8 and medium and 6 in dresses sometimes, so I don't want anything that make me look bulky, boxy or anything. And this is just that. Like, it cinched my center of my body, not perfectly obviously, because otherwise I won't be able to breathe, and also has the big neck that makes everything looks nice, covering my arms, which are a little bulky sometimes, depends how much I weigh. My weight fluctuates here and there, but right now I am in the biggest size possible. I've been eating like crazy, but anyhow, let's talk about the blouse. It's super comfortable, super pretty. As you see, it's kind of like clear. You can see a little bit of your skin, so it's very fresh. It's not suffocating or anything like that, and it's gorgeous. I love it. Again, I would rather this blouse be in another color, but so far everything else is so pretty, so girly. I don't have any complaints besides that. It has a zipper here. I mean, I don't like the green. I have to be honest, I don't like the green. But it has a zipper here and it's super easy to put on and remove. It has a button here to close it more, or you want to keep it more open, you can do that. But it has a little pin here to close it if you want to. They sent me this blouse in size medium and it's worth $89, but right now they have a discount of 58%. So this blouse is $37. Again, you don't have to buy the whole box or asking them to make a box for you to buy individual pieces because they come from Nordstrom. So down there in the description, I'm gonna leave you all the links or everything that I can find in their website. If you want to subscribe to Nordstrom Truck, I also gonna leave you a link down there. You're gonna get $50 off. I'm gonna get $50 off. It's a win-win. They sent me these pants as a outfit with these shoes too, but let's talk about the pants first. This is by the brand Wheat and Wisdom right here. This is a very, very popular brand from Nordstrom, and this is one of the few brands that I can wear with my big booty and without looking weird in the back. This one is right by the belly button, so it's a high waist pants and it's size 8. Super, super comfortable. And the price for these ones are $68. I'm gonna leave the link down below because I'm sure I'm gonna be able to find them in Nordstrom. And here are the shoes. These are mules. I had this same pair of shoes, but in the regular way, the ones that are like covering the heel. These ones are $130, size 9. I actually not gonna keep these ones. They're a little too big for me, as you see, like right there. I don't know, this fits weird. That's why I never bought them before, because this been out in the market for a while. In the description, I'm gonna leave the link for the ones that I know they're gonna be in the sale. They're super, super cute too, and I think they will be nicer than these ones. Maybe these ones are better for work. I'm not gonna lie, the ones that are in the sale are a little too bulky maybe. I heard that these ones are more comfortable than the Gucci's, so maybe I will keep them. I wish they had a discount though. I'm not sure. I'm gonna think about these ones. We have another blouse of Vince Camuto. This is a little different though, not as quite as the same as the previous one. I think the previous one was more girly. I just didn't like the colors. This one is more I don't know, I don't like it. I thought we'll like it, but I think it's lacking of maybe a deeper B here. I don't know, it's too tight here in the top. I don't know, I don't really like this one that much. This one is actually in a really good discount. This one is 40% off right now, so I'm like, god damn it, I wanted to like this one. The original price for this one is $79 and right now is $48. This one is size medium in the color ultra wide, but I just don't like it. And this is an outfit. These pants here are very, very, very wrinkled, but again, this is not my clothes. I cannot iron or do anything to it because they're brand new, so I shouldn't do anything. I just should put it back in the box right there and send it back if I don't like something. So here are the pants. These pants, I don't know, I don't like them that much. I think, I don't know, I just don't love them that much. I thought I was gonna like them more than what I do. I really don't like these pants that much, even though they fit really, really nice. They're super, super high-waisted. They're basically my belly bottom, but I don't like them as much as I thought. The outfit suggestion is with the same shoes. These ones are by the brand Nisoi. They are size 8 and they are $78. Sorry, $79. And here we have a bag that is meant to be with the outfit. This outfit and the next outfit too, but I think this bag is damaged though. Like, I think this is damaged. You see all those scratches in the buckle. I don't know what happened here. I don't know why this is so messed up. And this is a $195 handbag, and also look at that stitch coming out. Oh my god, this is so bad. I was like, what is this? It's pretty though, but what happened there? Like, I'm looking at the pictures and that shouldn't be looking like that. And you see that scratch there? This bag has seen so many bad things in life. And it's brand new. What happened here? I don't understand. Another accessory are these earrings by Kendra Scott. They're super pretty actually, but they're not quite my style, especially because they're $78. Oh my lord. And last but not least, also combined as an outfit with the same pants and the shoes and the handbag and the earrings. This blouse from Allergen. This is my type of clothing for going to work. It might be a little too sexy for some people, but for me, it's just stunning. I love something that it shows my curves and it looks professional at the same time. It doesn't look like I'm trying to be sexy, but I'm not trying to cover myself out. It changed my waist. I don't like the color of this. It made me seem like, I don't know, it made me feel like this is a Halloween outfit. For some reason, I don't like that much white and black like this. Maybe blue and black, yes, but this is black and white, and I don't really like this. So if this one comes in other colors, I'm definitely down for it because I love it. I just don't like this combination. It's just not nice. They sent this one to me in size medium. This one has a discount of 40% off right now. This one is $49 and right now it's running for $30. The items that I like the most in the box are definitely coming in different colors. Oh my god, I had the dress over there. But the dress comes not only in green, also comes in dark blue, which is stunning. But I like this green better, the pesto color. Divino. On the other hand, this one, I'm in the fence. This one comes in this color, but also comes in a black color, which is so stunning. But definitely not something that good for summer. Like, I am debating if I might keep this one instead of the actual green dress, which I love. I don't know, I should keep the dress. Oh my god, that's the problem with this box. I don't have enough time to think about it. I might just keep this one because it's so stunning and think about the dress. So down there, let me know guys what you think about the dress, the green dress that I show you. It's so beautiful. I think it's beautiful, but I'm not sure. And this one, I saw it in a beautiful, beautiful green color. That sounds so funny because I don't like this green, but I like the green dress. I don't like this one, but I like the green of this version. At least in the pictures on the website, they look stunning. I don't like this one because it made me feel like I'm wearing a costume of a prisoner or something. I don't know. I have a bad association with black and white stripes. I just don't like it, especially if it's a stretchy material like this. It just made me feel like I'm wearing something cheaper. If this was white with blue, I would be fine. But black with white, that's just not my colors. And everything else, just going back, return. No doubts about it. I don't like the bag. The bag is pretty though. I don't want to say I don't like it. I really like the bag, but it's damaged. So obviously I'm not keeping it. The shoes are extremely expensive and they don't fit me well. And I don't like the earrings. And the other blouses, I just didn't like them. And the blazer, huge. So no. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that this video was informative and entertaining for you. And if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Big thumbs up to this video, please. And also subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.